Hello! I'm here at Tagaytay. You can see the beautiful view. Beautiful. And this is Condotel. I'm here outside. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. So, hello guys! So, ang ganda dito. Malamig. Malayong-malayo ang water sa Manila. Napakaganda ng view natin. You can see that. Hello. Nakagising ko lang early in the morning. Hey, Tagaytay. Ano yung golf course view natin? Malapit lang siya. And of course, yun, papasok. Nasa 16th floor. 1605. So, 16th floor. Natutulog pa kasi yung kasama ko. So, ayoko muna pumasok sa room. I'm gonna tour you later on what's inside Condotel Tagaytay. Bye for now. Napakaganda po ng view early in the morning. It's kind of scary kasi medyo mataas siya. Pero napakaganda lang.